Abhi, this is the film fair. There is no chance I'm winning this. And when so I was sitting aram se, I was like, हाँ मेरा नाम तो नहीं आएगा. But then suddenly my name was called out and I was like, what? Like, how did this happen? Irfan Sir always was so, he had that childlike curiosity, and I think he was just going to start, if I'm not wrong, working on a web show, which was his first web show. And he was so curious to know everything about it. कि ये चलता कैसे है, फिर वो YouTube पे देखता कौन है, और फिर Instagram पे क्या होता है, और फिर ये brands आप endorse करते हो तो वो कैसे चलता है.
Hi, welcome to Filmfare OTT Showcase, lead up to the Flix Filmfare OTT Awards. And I'm in conversation with the charming, the extremely talented, and the Filmfare Award winner, Mithila Palkar. So welcome.
Thank you.
So my first question to you is, what is the easiest and most difficult things about Little Things?
I think what is easy and difficult is the same thing for me, at least, because especially over the last 3 years, because the characters have become so second skin for us, and which is why on camera and off camera it's a little difficult to tell for myself in my head, especially when I'm shooting. Am I Kavya? Am I Mithila? Am I like it's been that, because when Dhruv started writing, it is when we actually sat together, we did the reading together, and we said the dialogues, even though he had written them, said them in our own ways and own language per se. So now after 3 years, it's just like, wait, am I her? Am I me? Who am I? So yeah, that's the best and the worst thing.
Other times when you say, okay, Kavya would have done this, but Mithila won't do this, or Mithila would do this, but Kavya won't do this. Has that happened?
Over the last by the third season, I think she and I are very, very similar. The first season, I couldn't relate to her at all, actually, because she was very, very unsure of what she wanted to do. She had just suddenly decided to give up on the job that she had and said, I will now explore and do different things. And I was just like, I don't get this, because there's just no sense of security for me. Like, that's just who I am, to not to know what to do next. So ironically, I'm an actor and a freelancer, so we never know what the next thing to do is, but but you know what I mean.
Tell me your Filmfare moment when you won the Debutante Award for Muramba. Tell me about that.
Oh my God, Jitesh, I mean, everybody who wins the Filmfare for the first time, I think it is absolutely surreal. Like, that is a common feeling for everyone, I'm very sure. No matter who it has been, the first Filmfare for them is like, oh my God, you're getting the Black Lady home. But can I tell you, so Filmfare happened at the end of that year. And that entire year, I was nominated in some of the other Marathi awards as the debutante. Like, I was one of the nominees, and I never won. That entire year, I never won. I didn't win a single award. And I said, Abhi, this is the Filmfare. There is no chance I'm winning this. And so I was sitting aram se, I was like, हाँ मेरा नाम तो नहीं आएगा. But then suddenly my name was called out and I was like, what? Like, how did this happen? So it truly was a phenomenal moment for me, that my first Marathi film I was part of, that won me a Filmfare. So it's truly, truly, truly special.
Tell me about your Karwa experience. How was that? That's actually your first breakout movie, no? Like full-fledged film.
Yeah.
You had done that film with Imran Khan a long back, right?
Yes.
With Nikhil Advani's, and then you had done also a short film. But tell us about the Karwa experience.
Karwa was, it was like, the way I describe it, it was like my Disneyland, because I have never been to a film school. And watching Irfan Khan and Dulquer Salmaan on the sets, like doing what they do best, for me was like, I was that wide-eyed child left in Disneyland. That was my film school, because even on the days when I was not shooting, we were all in Kerala. I obviously, I'm from Mumbai, so we were all in a hotel. So I used to be like, what do I sit at the hotel and do? This is just like, I am losing all that time with them on set. So even on the days when I was not shooting, I used to make sure I was on set, even if it was a night shoot, day shoot, whatever. I used to go and sit to just watch the way they work, and it was so phenomenal. It was amazing how all three of us could bring in something different because we belong to completely different worlds in terms of even the entertainment industry. Per se. So there were so many different stories to share. Irfan Sir always was so, he had that childlike curiosity, and I think he was just going to start, if I'm not wrong, working on a web show, which was his first web show. And he was so curious to know everything about it. कि ये चलता कैसे है, फिर वो YouTube पे देखता कौन है, और फिर Instagram पे क्या होता है, और फिर ये brands आप endorse करते हो तो वो कैसे चलता है. So he was just constantly, he had all these questions to ask just to learn and understand that world because it was so different than what he was in or part of or had been. So, yeah, it was my Disneyland.
What for you, again, as I asked you in the first, is the difficult part of acting and the easiest part of acting? Like, what are kind of challenges you face as an actor?
In terms of a challenge, I would say that at this point in time, I am finding it challenging to find roles that are not in the similar vein that I have been doing so far. So at this point, that is my challenge as an actor. That I really need to break out of the girl next door roles and just do something completely different, to not prove it to the audience or anything per se, to just prove it to myself or to just challenge myself in that way, that I want to try something else. I want to play a completely negative role and see, or a dark role, or be a part of a psychological thriller, and see how that works. So I think that to break out of that is a little challenging for me at the moment. Otherwise, anything that gets me out of bed, that gets me to sacrifice on my sleep, is my work. Like, my sleep is very precious to me, but if there's something that I leave my sleep for, then it is my work. So I absolutely love what I do.
And finally, after Little Things, what?
Tribhanga is a film that's coming out hopefully soon. We don't have a date yet, but that's something that we shot, and I'm looking forward to showing it to everyone.
Yeah, that seems to be like a very nice ensemble cast with you, directed by Renuka Shane. So that's and Tanvi. So that sounds really nice. So here's wishing you lots of luck.
Thank you.
Lots of tech savvy moments with your granddad, and just be yourself. Lots of fine performances. Thank you so much.